Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly Bitcoin update. Let's get started. So last Tuesday, April 23rd, Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Block, announced that they're building a mining rig. What Jack Dorsey is trying to do is to improve the decentralization of the Bitcoin blockchain by allowing people like you and I to buy Bitcoin miners and just plug them into the internet and start mining. This is very good because it will only improve the security of the blockchain in the future. This buy Bitcoin sign just got bought by $1 million at auction. Now, in 2017, Bitcoin's price was about $2,500. We are right now at $63,000. Crypto app Strike launches Bitcoin services across Europe. This is important because an increasing number of companies will now be able to accept Bitcoin and receive the money from the customer as US dollars or euros. This just increases the number of companies that are adopting crypto and the number of people that now will be able to buy and sell things with cryptocurrencies. The FBI issues a public service announcement basically warning all Americans to be careful as to which app they are using right now to buy and trade cryptocurrencies. What they are saying is that if that app is not using a KYC information or is not complying with anti-money laundering laws, that the company is at risk of being investigated. My recommendation is to only use applications that do comply with anti-money laundering requirements and have KYC like Coinbase. I personally have all my cryptocurrency holdings in Coinbase. Let's dive into the Bitcoin chart. Now, this is the Bitcoin chart on a regular scale. What I like to do with any kind of chart analysis is to change the scale to logarithmic and then zoom out to see at least 5 to 10 years. Once I see at least 5 to 10 years in the chart, I like to build a long-term trend line with two major support points. What do we see here is that we have one major touch point, one major support, and in 2022 with the FTX collapse, Bitcoin broke support and now became resistance. Now let's measure for how many days we were within the consolidation pattern in this last one. 63 days. So how long have we been in this one from the past month? We've been in a consolidation pattern for 50 days. What if we repeat the same pattern as the last one? 63 days would take us to Monday, May 6th. I personally think that on May 6th or a few days after, we will break out of this consolidation channel and break above $80,000. Now, if you ask me for my long-term price target for this Bitcoin bull run, what I like to do is measure the amount of time that it takes to go from one major top to the next major top. So this one took 1,428 days. Let's measure another 1,428 days into the future from this last pick. This would basically take us to a price target of $153,000 per Bitcoin. Now, it doesn't matter if in the short term we are above or below 20% the long-term trend line. What I'm looking at doing is buying Bitcoin today and maybe selling close to October of 2025. And this will probably take a return on your money of ×2 or ×3. Remember that everything I said in this video is a personal opinion and not financial advice.